Let's start today's drawing. This image I saw online and I really like that one. So I thought let me try to draw that one. For that I'm going to draw plus sign. And I will pick any length you want and try to pick all four sides and then try to draw a circle here. A little bit idea where you can draw the face or the middle part. So in this one, almost like this is little bit up over here, I will do V here. So this is like a little bit idea, and in this case over here, kind of like this alphabet V. You can make it a little bit big. In this one, close, not in the middle, little bit up here, alphabet V. This one is on the top, I can say on the top of the circle. This one is little bit in, this one is really out, and this one, this side, we can say this line is big and this line is small here. There will be one more here next to the line on the kind of like on the edge of the circle and the line here. So the first arm will start from here and it will go not really long, just a little bit idea. I'm giving the shape and then later I will adjust everything. From here, this is also like a, this one, if I will draw the line, this is going to be a little bit inside, not exactly same length here. So this one is going down. So I'm going to draw this one like little bit curvy. This one is this side curvy, this direction we have to go. This one will go this direction, and if this is the line, this will go little bit out, and from here in this direction, slightly, not really curvy but slightly. And from here I can go up here, and if I will draw here, this one is little bit out, means not the same length here, and from here we have to go like a smiley little bit. Every time all the lines I'm doing curvy. This one I will curve this direction actually, and from here I will try to turn this one and I will curve here. So in this case, this has to be biggest one if I can see the image. So this one we have to make it a little bit more wider. This one is not that big, so we can just make it a little bit small. Sometimes it looks like a flower to me. And this one is here. If you want to draw a face or anything, yes, you can go ahead and draw laughing style, happy style, whatever style you want. You can draw two eyes and one mouth. If it is laughing, you can draw laughing style.